Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience, and if this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for joining. Today I'll be making creamy tomato risotto. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when there's new uploads. And for my recipe today, please check in the description box below all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe, as well as the measurements for this recipe. Okay, before we start, we're going to cook our rice first. So I've poured my rice into my pan. I'm going to add in the water, as you can see. The measurement is in the description box, like I said. And then cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. You can leave it for longer if you prefer your rice really soft, but if not, you can leave it for lesser time. But I'm leaving mine for 10 minutes because my baby prefers his rice really nice and soft because it's easier to swallow. As you can see, it's been 10 minutes. I've stirred it a little bit. It's still got a little bit of water, but I'm gonna leave it. But if you prefer your rice a little bit thick, you can drain the water depending on how you want it. And now I'm adding my courgette in, as well as my tomato. Now it's time for me to mix all this three ingredients together until I get a lovely colorful look like this, and then cover it on low medium heat for about 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes already, so it's got a little bit of burnt at the bottom, but it's not too obvious. It's still okay. Add in my cheese, then my basil. Stir it till I get that creamy, lovely creamy look. Nicely. The color's popping out. You can see the color of the tomato, the courgette, as well as the basil. Once I mix it all together, I'm satisfied. Then I'll cover it still on low medium heat for about 2 minutes, just for the cheese to warm up and the basil to slightly cook. So it's been 2 minutes and our risotto is ready. Depending on the stage your baby is in, feel free to blend this recipe so it's easier for your baby to swallow. If not, it's creamy, the rice is soft, and as well as the rest of the ingredients in this recipe. Enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.